Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin just hit another all-time high at $108.2 thousand on the index and is currently resting around $106.5 thousand, a level that has acted as both resistance and support since Monday. While I'm loving this price action and still expecting between $125,000 to $153,000 by the end of December, I have to ask, where are the dumps? Let's put this in perspective. Just a simple 8% dip would bring us right back to the bottom of our trusty yellow channel, which has been our companion since the start of December. 8% is nothing in Bitcoin terms. Remember what happened on December 5th? We broke through $100,000, hit 106.8, and then flash crashed to 91.9 thousand in just 19 hours, only to recover immediately. These dips are crucial. They shake out weak hands and build strength for the long-term bullish momentum. If we look at the 3-day liquidation heat map, there's hot leverage clusters sitting at 103,000, 102.2 thousand, and 101,000. On the weekly map, we even see targets down at 99 and 97,000. Notice how perfectly these levels align with a 6 to 8% pullback. A move that would fit perfectly within our yellow channel between 99.7 and $101.6 thousand. Now listen, I'm no bear. I'm extremely spot long on Bitcoin, but I've said this for days. I don't see a perfect long entry right now. That's why I jumped into a small chain link long yesterday after analyzing my long wave strategy on the 15-minute chart. My entry price? $28.74. From today, I'll be sharing entry and exit signals for this specific Chainlink 15-minute long wave strategy for free in my Discord. Link below. I recommend keeping leverage conservative between 2 and 5x max because the last 32 trades dating back to September saw drawdowns of 2 to 12%. Don't copy my trades blindly. Always do your own research. And remember, this is not financial advice. When I spot a great long entry on Bitcoin, you'll be the first to know. Until then, I'm keeping my eyes sharp, like a hawk. If you want to stay updated and to fly with our feather flock, join the Discord. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss what's next. And see you in the next one.